we'll guide you through how to add a countdown timer in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, understand that Notion does not include a built-in countdown timer block, so we will use a safe and free widget service called 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 to create one. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 website. Once there, log in using the same Google account or email address connected to your Notion workspace for smooth integration. After successfully logging in, browse through the widget library on the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 dashboard and select the Countdown widget option. A configuration screen will open, allowing you to fully customize your timer. Start by entering a clear and descriptive title into the widget title box at the top. Next, use the menu on the left side to set your exact target date and deadline time through the available calendar and clock drop-down menus. Continue scrolling through the left side settings to personalize the appearance of your timer by adjusting background colors, text colors, and font styles so it matches your Notion page design. You can also enable or disable display options for years, months, days, or seconds depending on your preferences. As you adjust each setting, a live preview on the right side will instantly update, allowing you to see your changes in real time. Once you are fully satisfied with your countdown timer design, look toward the bottom left corner of the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 interface and click the dark Copy Link button with the clipboard icon. This will save your custom widget URL to your clipboard. Next, switch to your browser tab containing the Notion web app and log into your account. After accessing your Notion workspace, go to the left-hand sidebar, click +Add a page, and select Empty Page to create a fresh page. Update the page title to something appropriate, such as How to Add a Countdown Timer in Notion. Then click on an empty line to create a new content block, right-click, and select Paste to insert your 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 link. Notion will automatically detect the URL and show a floating menu. Choose Create Embed, and your custom countdown timer will instantly appear, ready to resize and perfectly fit your dashboard.